Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Sunny Cockert and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing fantastic. Thank you for joining me today. We're going to be talking about this. So this is my Bose QC35, the first generation. But this is a problem on the first and the second one, I'm guessing. These ear cups are not durable at all. The leather padding has like air holes in the sides that it's supposed to be for just let the air escape, just let it breathe a little, you know. Problem is that those can actually tear really easily if you put your headphones in your bag just like this. You need to use the case, and this is why. But luckily, because these, not the headphones but the ear cups, are still within warranty, I got some new ones. But keep that in mind, the ear cups were in warranty, the headphones are not. If you have this problem and you're still within warranty, just email Bose. They'll immediately send you new ones. And I mean, it took about half a week to get here, but it's here, and that's the important portion. So I'm gonna swap these out. We're gonna take these off and yeah, get rid of this, because this is just awful. I'm tired of these getting destroyed. Like so, just very simple. And let's open the box. Okay, so this is what they look like. This is without the scrims in place. Looks alright actually on the inside. So the scrims are these things. They sit on the inside of these ear pads, and that's how that works. Let's just get this over with. I don't have a lot of time for this video, but I wanted to show you this anyway because it's important. And keep this in mind, these are the second pair already. Or the third, actually. I've already replaced them once. I didn't mention it. I wanted to give them the benefit of the doubt, but this is the second time already, and that's just insane. So, got the two earphones. You'll notice, actually, the color of the foam is way different. Here the color is blue. Here the color is yellow. You see that? The old ones are yellow. I don't know what it is. I'm guessing sweat, but I honestly don't know, but that's disgusting. So this is the destroyed one, and look, it's also just yellow and green, and this blue is how it's supposed to look. Again, I think it's moisture that just interferes with the color, but yeah, that's definitely a difference, definitely a significant difference. So first, you want to put the scrims on. Well, that's pretty easy. You just take whichever one you want first, so we're gonna take the right one. Now, let's see, we need to figure out which one is the right one, which is the one with the power button. So the power switch is right here, so this is the correct one. And then we're gonna line them up. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take that scrim and you're gonna put it into position like so. It's relatively easy, really. I mean, the orientation and everything you can figure out on your own. There's also a handy guide with it that you can use. It shows you exactly how it's done, the things that you need to line up. But you can also just look at how it was previously installed and how you have to install it now. So it's very simple, very easy. No need to mess around with it. It's just sticking it down and putting them in place. The ear cushions will take care of the rest. But it's just simply a cover, nothing else. So now the left one. There we go, easy as that. And now all that we have to do is apply these ear cushions. Now they're ambidextrous. You don't have to put them in a specific one. You could just put them wherever you want. And you have to put them below these little clips that are on the side of the frame of the earphones. I'd recommend using something to push them in. So that's what we're gonna be doing now. Let's see if I can get a better angle on this. So there are a couple of places where these, there's some nooks on the edge here, and you want to push the ring of the headphones below it. So that's what we're gonna do now. Now it could definitely be a hassle to apply them or to put them in correctly, but if you're careful, you can do it without scratching. But they're just these little nooks. Just press them under it, one by one. And there we go. So, that's one ear pad on. I mean, it's not the easiest process, but it works. And again, you can put them in any orientation that you want to, really. There is not really a limit to how you can do it. I recommend starting with the top one though, just because that's gonna be easier. Or with the bottom one, actually. Probably with the bottom one. There we go. Okay, took a little bit of force-ish, but they're both on now. And I can listen again for another year when they start to fail again. So yeah, and sorry that it was a little bit hard to see. I don't really have the time to reposition the camera. I wanted to show you this because there's also a thing with the Rival 600 that I want to show you in an upcoming video, and there is still a stream of Until Dawn that I have to do. So now we have gone from these awful and terrible damaged looking ones to these awesome new ones. And again, this is the third time, or the second time it's happened, and the third ear cups that I've put on these things. It's nice that Bose does this for free for me, but for anyone that's out of warranty, this sucks because these things are $40 each, like per pair. And that's just a lot of money for these things that like fail a lot, and like I'm a fan that they replaced the scrims as well, but still that's really expensive for anyone that's not fortunate enough to be within warranty. Of course, they also have their own warranty, so the warranty of the ear pads are standalone from the actual headphones, which is great because that means that if they fail again, you don't have to rely on the warranty of your headphones, but rather on the 1-year warranty that you have on these cushions, despite it being a hygiene product. So that's all good then. But like I said, be careful with this and always put it in its nice little bag. You're gonna need that. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you learned something, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.